So, you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're not sure where to begin. Good news, you're much closer than you think. Let's walk through a simple step-by-step plan to launch your channel the smart way. First, decide what your channel is about. Ask yourself 3 quick questions. What do I enjoy talking about? What do I know a bit more than the average person? And who do I actually want to help? Maybe it's gaming, fitness, beauty, tech, personal finance, or study tips. Pick one main topic and one type of viewer. For example, productivity videos for busy students, or simple cooking for beginners. Clear and focused beats trying to do everything at once. Next, don't stress over gear. You can start with a smartphone. Just follow 3 basics. Use the back camera if you can. Face a window or a simple light source. And keep the phone steady on a stand or a pile of books. Audio matters more than video. If people can hear you clearly, they'll forgive a lot. Use wired earbuds at first, or a cheap USB mic if you're on a computer. Now, plan your first few videos. You don't need a full script, just bullet points. Think in simple formats like how to, 3 tips for, or I tried this so you don't have to. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas, outline your points, and even draft titles and descriptions. Just remember to keep your own voice and personality. People come for the topic, but they stay for you. When you upload, focus on 3 things. A clear title that sounds like something you'd actually search, a thumbnail that is simple and easy to read, and a description that explains who the video is for and what they'll learn. Then, be consistent. It's better to post 1 solid video every week than 5 rushed ones in a row and then disappear. Watch your analytics to see what people click, how long they stay, and which topics work best. Use that to improve a little with every video. And if you want to turn your ideas into clean, animated explainer videos like this one, without fighting complicated software, head over to vidfactory.ai. You can turn scripts and concepts into pro-looking videos fast. Start simple, stay consistent, improve one tiny thing each time. That's how real YouTube channels grow. You've got this. Now it's your turn to hit record.